Understanding fade in and fade out in English. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to explore two commonly used phrases in English, fade in and fade out. These terms are often used in various contexts, especially in film, music, and writing. Understanding them will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you appreciate their use in different media. Fade in and fade out are terms that describe a gradual transition in movies, music, or sound. A fade in occurs when the scene, music, or sound slowly becomes more visible or audible, starting from silence or darkness. On the other hand, a fade out is the opposite, where the scene, music, or sound gradually disappears into silence or darkness. In film and theater, a fade in is often used at the beginning of a scene or movie, creating a sense of emergence or awakening. Conversely, a fade out is used to signify the end of a scene or movie, often leaving the audience with a sense of closure or transition to another scene. In the context of music and audio, these terms are equally significant. A fade in is used to introduce a piece of music or sound effect gently, while a fade out is often used to bring a smooth end to a song or sound, creating a feeling of slowly drifting away. Beyond their literal meanings, fade in and fade out can have symbolic implications. They can represent the gradual realization or disappearance of an idea, emotion, or situation in artistic works. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrases fade in and fade out and how they are used in different contexts. Remember, these terms are not just technical but can also be quite artistic and symbolic. Keep exploring and using them in your English learning journey. See you in the next lesson.